I called for this meeting so that two of you can hear me out. And then I will hear you people out because I don't understand what is going on. Okay, you and I have been close since when we were small. We killed lizards together, killed chameleons together, killed rats together. Huh? Nkechi, you are my girl.
Hey, point of correction. My wife is not your girl. Understand that?
Honey, that is the problem with him. Always digging up the past. Ekene, is this why you have called this meeting this morning? To tell us old stories? Eh? What the Igboegwu?
Have I done a bad thing? No, have I done a bad thing to call two of you so that...
Another point of correction. My wife and I are not two. We are one. See, Ekene, I know where you're heading. But trust me, it's a sheer waste of time. You must understand your position in this house and act accordingly.
Exactly.
I cannot do more than that for you.
But remember, I am the one who arranged this marriage and I should be treated with respect.
I will keep correcting you. Yes, I need to clear you very well today. You never arranged my marriage. Yes, I only asked for your suggestion, which you gave. I met Nkechi, we fell in love, and the rest is history.
Yes.
And if you ask me, I'll simply tell you our marriage was arranged in heaven.
Heaven.
Isn't it?
Yes, darling.
What happened to you people now? What happened? What happened to you?
Ekene, we people have grown up.
Simple.
Ekene, grow up. A grown-up man thinks of owning his own house and marrying his own beloved wife. A grown-up man does not hang around a marriage made in heaven. Or do you want to destroy it?
How can I destroy something I arranged myself, something I built myself?
Okay, you have options. It's either you stay here and take instructions, or you pack your bag and return to the village where you belong.
Exactly.
Okay. Nkechi. Papa, okay, sorry, sir.
Mama Ekene, sorry, ma.
Mama Ekene, sorry. In fact, we should even be crying for the woman because I told her
Honey, I'm no longer comfortable with the way you're treating my best friend. Ekene is my best friend now.
Oh, no. You have to be, honestly. That's the only way you can make this fool understand that you're no more the village in Nkechi he used to know. Your status have changed. You're my wife now.
But honey, there are better ways to make him understand, not this way.
Sweetheart, I told you this thing from the village. I told you. The only way to deal with this guy is to be harsh on him. Oh yes, it's for his own good, so he can grow up. And to keep the dignity and respect of our marriage. Okay? It's alright, smile. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. My Lord. Don't worry.
Hey. Hey,
Oh.
Huh?
How did you go? Can see everything went well.
Everything well, beyond well.
So where's the money?
The gods are blessing us, so I'm telling you, doubling our money. Our money is doubled now.
The money is supposed to be 300,000 naira.
300,000, yes. The customer paid me the 300,000. But you see, on my way here, I just saw one man that the gods just sent. Hi! God of favor just sent that man. And the man just saw me. He said, do you have money? I said, yes. Then he now said, I can double it for you. I said, It's a lie. He said, give me what you have there. And I give him 1,000 naira. He now doubled the 1,000 naira. What did he use? He used one chemical like that. Doubled the 1,000 naira. I looked at him. I gave him another 1,000 naira. My own, he now doubled it. I said, And I gave him your own. to see if my luck and your own are the same. Give me your own. He now double it. I say no. And I give him the whole 300,000 for him to double everything. So as I'm talking to you right now, the man is doubling everything. He said I should go and bring 3,000 naira for the chemical. So that's what I came here to do. So you won't call me a wicked person, no? I said I should come and tell you now.
It's a clear.
All I'm saying now is I'm getting my 3,000 naira, my own money. And when this man doubles this money, inside the 300,000, I'm only giving you 100,000 naira there because I'm the person who paid for the chemical with my own 3,000 naira, my own money. You understand? So if you have any money, if you want to be beneficial to yourself, bring money. Tell Nkichi to
shut up! You've been duped!
You said what kind of dupe? What are you talking about? Something I saw with my eyes. Somebody that used chemical to wash something for me. You're telling me. Are you mad?
What would you not do in this house? Why did you walk away?
Because I couldn't stand that imbecile anymore.
It's not true. This is the third time now. Both of you are acting strange. What's up about that monkey, pussycat, dog? What's up?
You see, baby, that's what I was telling you. That guy was just trying to remind me of our closeness way back in the village, you know. Pussycats, dog, monkeys, they used to be our favorite pets. You know, I remember how we used to run around inside the bush hunting for monkeys, you know. It used to be fun. That's exactly what she was trying to remind me.
Listen, okay? If that guy is blackmailing you, I can handle him. You know, I vow that anything at all that you did to me, I will forgive you.
So they relax. You see, I have not done anything in this life that will warrant anybody blackmailing me. Okay? I just have a soft spot for that food. That's it.
You sure?
Don't tell me. Oh, come on. It's okay. See, let me tell you something. I have married you. And I love you. And nothing will ever change it. Okay?
Okay.
So relax. Smile for me. Come on, see.
Madam of the house. Madam, give me camera. Nkechi, what's this now?
What is what?
I know this thing looks like egusi to you. It looks like egusi to you. But why will you give me egusi without fish or meat?
Hey! Wait, Ekene. Did you give me any meat? Or did you give me money to buy meat and cook soup for you? Did you?
Yeah. In I'm separate too.
Come, wait back.
See, I'll pour this on you. I'll pour this on. I will get here. Have you forgotten how many times in the village I gave you my bush meat? Huh? You're not coming. How many times I gave your mother bush meat? How many times I gave your father bush meat? You're not here giving me soup without fish or meat.
That was in the village. Now we are in the city. So I, Nkechi, will do anything at all I want to do with you.
I'll pour this on you.
What is going on? What is going on here? Stop this nonsense. We cannot have two captains in one ship in this house. What's all this rubbish?
The rubbish is that why would she give me soup without...
What is your problem? Why is that every time you are fighting for food? Food in the morning, food in the afternoon, food at night.
Why would she give me soup without meat or fish? Is it the food that made you grow like this? Is it the food that made her front to be moving ahead of her and her back to be running away from her? Okay. Is it food?
Oh, is that why you want to eat so you can grow tall like this house and your front will be running faster than your body and back with this charge?
No, that's her own portion. It's not my portion. What's that? Biko, what do you mean by that? You should give me meat or fish, Biko. What's this?
Who that lady here? Who is that?
You see, now which of them give you belly here? Talk now! Now which of them? This person.
Oh! Diego. Oye ni oto. Oto nwa n'ime. Oye ni efe. Oto nwa n'ime. Oye ni ebe na oto ejima.
Talk. How you want to my pikin? Una beg me yesterday, now you don't come. Talk as you go take do am?
Mama Risikat, nothing spoil, oh, nothing spoil. I be good person. I know the night say na me put the something inside your pikin, no problem. But for now, forget about that my brother and his wife. Me, I be one man standing alone now. As you see, so na village I dey go. Na village I dey go. So as I admit say na me don't do the damage for Risikat. Make Risikat arrange herself. Follow me, they go village.
Village?
Alai.
Igbo. You don't craze finish. You don't craze finish. Oh, you won't carry my pikin go Igbo village, make una cook and chop. That your plan no go work at all.
Go cook and chop.
Oya, leave this place. Oya, come out. Come out. Come out. Come out here. You won't carry my pikin go Igbo. Una take and cook and chop. That your plan no go work. It will not work.
So, Ugumba, this is wonderful. Are you sure this is not the heaven they are talking about?
You see what I'm saying? It's wonderful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Let me tell you, the gods were not kind to our generation at all. Our generation was a blind generation. Look at it. We didn't have the kind of opportunity our children have now. Hey!
Okonkwo. Okonkwo, that is not true. That is not true. Some persons or some people that left the village, came to the city, became rich.
Hey! If you're not going I will call you. Wait first. Okay, woman. Because one is your. What do you people do in the city that generates the kind of money you use in building this heaven on earth?
I'm telling you, just buying and selling, struggling.
Struggling? Aye.
It's okay. Well done, my son. We are proud of you.
Thank you. Please, may I ask you, to what do I owe this August visit? I hope all is well.
My son. Kakaraka. My son, like you asked, there is no need lying to you. All is not well. What I won't know, but all is not well. And there is fire on the mountain in the village right now, as we are talking. So it has become imperative for us to take Ekene back to the village by all means.
So you have to help us. Because we know it very well that Ekene is in your custody. And the Igwe has asked us to make sure that you bring Ekene back to the village.
My elders, I would say you may have wasted your time. Oh yes. Because Ekene left this city this morning for the village. And I believe by the time you guys arrived here, he would have arrived in the village too. So, but not to worry. My house is big enough to accommodate you people. So, and my wife will take care of you very well. Tomorrow you continue your journey back to the village. Do you care for anything like food? You must be hungry.
We're okay. One after the other. I'm an evil. That it is. We have seen with our eyes. Please. Ogonna, what's up propelling this boy?
Ekene right now in
the village. Hey! Mba.
Attention! Attention! At ease. Tension! At ease.
Now, give them this thing. Let them go home now. What is all this?
Biko, please. Scouts on parade for national peace. Thank you. We.
Wa.
We.
Wa.
Attention! At ease. Good. Attention! Emeka, this is for you. Now march home. Hep, hey! Hep, hey! Hep, hey! Chidi, for you. March home. Hep, hey! Hep, hey! Hep, hey! Daniel, for you. Hep, hey! Dig it up! Hep, hey! Bartholomew, this is your size. Hep, hey! Hep, hey! Dig it up! Hep, hey! 6 inches above the ground. Hep, hey! Jumbo. Shen! By the left, mark time. Hep, hey! Hep, hey! Dig it up! Hep, hey! Hep, hey! Hep, hey! Yes, good. My boys are okay. My boys are still okay. About 10! Hep, hey! Hep, hey!
Why are you laughing? Okwa biskita. Ayatia. Ngwa about turn. Hep, hey! Hep, hey! Hep, hey! Hep, hey!
You people are bloody civilians. So please stop.
Bianna, how did you even cope with the city with your wee-wa? Were you able to practice it?
Don't mind Oke and Nkechi. They were too afraid of me. They felt if I should raise new scouts, I'll be raising terrorists to take over their home.
Now, wow. Ekene can go quite. First of all, I thank the gods. Then secondly, I thank Oke for taking you to the city. You know what the city has done for you in 3 months? We have not been able to achieve in years.
Yes, so, brother, I know that you're going to make us proud now that you're back. And please, promise us that you return to the city when you've done it.
Done what?
After you must have defeated the evil spirits now. Is that not why you're back? You know, the Igwe sent for you after you walked out on Amaka.
Brother, that wasn't fair at all, though. You shouldn't have done that to Auntie Amaka.
I don't know what you people are talking about, though. I don't know what you people are talking about. And I did not receive any message from the Igwe. You hear me? I am tired of the city. I am back to this village for good. And I'm not here to fight any evil rapist spirit.
Biko, the whole village, everyone is looking up to you.
Why should they look up to me that I'm down here? Instead of looking up to the gods that are up there.
You're the chosen one.
Please, Biko, chosen for what? Michael Jackson. Biko, please.
Please. This is the only great thing you can do for our village. Do not turn us down.
And I tell you, turn down that your mouth and shut up. Nonsense. I hope you don't have anything of yours in my room. Scoutmaster wants to rest. Please. Ahua. Over and out.
You're finer than before.
Thank you.
See how beautiful you are. Yeah. I hope all these nonsense village boys haven't tampered with this your fine boy.
No, I've been waiting for you. Yes.
You've been waiting for me?
Yes.
People me have been waiting for you too, you know?
You've changed.
Everything has changed. No, life has changed.
You too, you have changed. And this your lapse has changed, yo.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? What's your problem? What do you...
Stop!
Stop this. What's your problem?
What do you want? Wait!
What do you want? Come.
You will
Be yourself. What's your problem?
No, stop!
Come on, relax yourself. What's your problem? You said you have been waiting for me. Eh?
Yes, but...
Like you sent us. We went, we saw, but unfortunately, we could not conquer. Because we were told that Ekene left the same day we arrived.
Igwe. Okechukwu even told us that Ekene is right here in the village.
Hey, one to Ejieriokwe. So Ekene is in Umudim, and nobody told me. Hey, one to Guard,
Your Highness.
go and get Ekene here immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
I have a feeling that boy, he behaves in mysterious ways. Huh? He acts strange. What do you call Ekene, I don't even know why the gods chose you of all people in this Umudim to carry out this all-important task. I don't understand the minds of the gods, but you don't have a choice.
Igwe, I agree with one side of your sentence, but the other side I don't agree.
At what point do you agree? And at what point do you disagree? Efulefu, Eputos, Dowibe.
Okay. I agree with the part where you said you don't know why the gods chose me. But you see that side where you said we don't have a choice. Me, I have a choice. So.
And what is your choice? What is your choice?
See why all of you should just enter one bus and travel and go and meet your gods and ask them why they are confused. The way all of you are confused now, asking me, what's your choice? What's your choice? What's your choice?
Shut up there. May the God strike your mouth. How dare you open your mouth in the place of the king and talk to him like that? Huh? Huh? Look, my king, I don't know why the gods of this kingdom will leave our destiny in the hands of an idiot. Huh? Wow, what about this nincompoop, this riffraff be chosen instead of others? Huh? How can the God choose somebody who will even curse them? He's even cursing the gods. Are you not hearing it? Ekene, is it not enough that this evil has decimated our women? You still want to go and bring more wrath of the gods upon us? Eh? With this your foolish mouth, Ekene?
Igwe, Ichokonkwo, you people are calling your expected hero nincompoop, idiot, riffraff, foolish.
Hear me now, everybody. Igwe, hear me now. My fellow elders, hear me now. Hear me. This boy will bring more reproach to this kingdom. He will bring more curse on us if we don't do anything about it. This riffraff, this nincompoop, this demagogue, this one will have nothing good for us. Let me tell you something. If the gods were not sleeping, it was either by mistake. The gods of Umudim may have made a mistake appointing Ekene for this mission. This is the last best of human beings.
Ichiokonkwo, you are still calling the gods with style, idiot, non-entity, nincompoop, fallacy, below. The gods will come the night and flog you worse than the way I was flogged in this village. Let me tell you now. Okay.
Your mouth is cursed. I said your mouth is cursed. Look at this non-entity. Elders, are we sure that this boy is truly a son of this soil?
Me too, I'm not even sure. I'm not sure.
Guys, bring me there some more. Better, with this utterances, I want to believe that the gods will change their minds. Yes, they will change. And you a human being. Not a nuisance. The gods are not blind.
Igwe, Ndiche, with these few points of mine, I hope I have convinced you and not confused you that I have scout meeting. We
Shun! Side turn! Attention! Dig it up! Hey, board light! Dig it!
This boy's continuous existence in this kingdom is a cause. Functional cause. Let's say more cause. No, let's say more cause.
Ekene bad boy, isi konkom, efulefu mwa. Ekene efulefu, isi konkom, bad boy. Ekene bad boy, isi konkom, efulefu mwa.
Oui! Wow! My princess! Hey! Ah! Princess! You are still beautiful, oh. You know, just the same way I left you before I left for the city. You know, I don't know sweet, thick flavor. Flavor, thick, sweet.
Ekene, there is something more important than beauty right now.
Hey, what is it now? Tell me, you know there's nothing I cannot do for you, my beauty.
I heard what transpired in the palace.
What? Nanka Tom showdown. You mean those old men? Forget them. Forget. See, those old men don't know that. Oye yo funika adia about Michael Jackson, you know? I'm telling you, the gods have confused all of them because they are evil.
Are you saying my father is evil?
Okay, Tom confusion. No. How can evil give birth to beauty? It's not possible now. But meanwhile, princess, as I'm seeing you now, my heart is just beating fast. Like that, you know?
You don't seem to realize the trouble in Umudim. The village is becoming a ghost town for the women. We need you, Ekene. I need you.
Hey! You need me? Hey! Tom, personal sweet. You need me. Princess, I need you too. I need you. Seriously. I need you.
Need me?
Princess, see, for you, I'm ready to face that rapist spirit and tell it that it should never ever near you here. No, never near you here. Or even try and rape any woman in this village. But the spirit must go ahead and rape all the chiefs and elders in council in this village, including the Igwe.
My father.
Okay, it will forget about your father. The spirit will not rape your father, but it must rape all the chiefs and elders in council. Yes.
Ekene, no one takes you serious. Just try and do something that will make them change their mindsets about you for once.
I got Tosige right in your hands, you know? Simple. It was right in your hands. It's just for you to marry me because I'm ready for you, you know?
Ekene, then destroy the evil.
Is there more? Why did it take you so long?
I had pressing issues and I was trying to talk to the gods.
But this is a very unusual situation, a pathetic one. Speak to the gods. Tell them this fool, this Onyiuke, this imbecile cannot undertake this mission. He was here insulting the gods before our very presence. Yes. Surely the gods will punish him for his foul mouth.
Igwe, I have served the gods all my life. Like my father did. I have never heard in any occasion that the gods changed their minds. And the gods know exactly what to do. We do not fight their battles. Rather, they fight our battles for us.
But Ezemo, the gods are certainly not fighting in this battle. Yes, they are in deep slumber. I repeat, they are in deep slumber.
And this is the time that we need them most. There isn't more. What have we done that made the gods to turn their backs on us?
Ugumba, the gods are not like men that are blinded by their anger. We all cannot compare our minds with the minds of the gods.
But this time, the minds of the gods seem cruel to Umudim. Why is it so, Ezemo?
I don't know.
Then the oracle of the gods must have departed from you.
Ezemo.
No.
Ofiana song kata. Ye pukwanero.
Nana girl.
Ekene, you're back.
Back, you know.
Welcome.
My God. I'm back.
Ekene, wait.
What?
This city you went to has really changed you.
Yes, now. City from foreign, you know. Foreign. Foreign in you.
Sit down first. Sit down. Sit down.
Not baby.
Ekene, wait. What's up with Nkechi and her husband?
It could happen down. See, when you Funika cannot Michael Jackson, you know? I'm telling you, up and down, leave those people. There. Well, tick.
Wait, are you okay?
Look, hugging with a wire on. Cheregini, I come out of the autonomous community. What's wrong with you? Yeah, anyway, where's your mother?
She has gone to the farm.
Hey, Carton technical. Come, I brought something for you.
Come to here. What did you do?
Confess. Talk too much. Come.
Ekene, wait. What?
I'm telling you. Somebody who wears one nigga cannot. Michael Jackson come jack you up. Confess.
Where are you going to?
Come inside. Let me give you what I brought for you, you know. Hey! No, baby. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
If I am a faithful messenger, let it be known. But if I have done your will as your faithful servant, then speak, because my integrity is being questioned. But much more than that, your authority has been questioned too.
Ezemo, we are not questioning the authority of the gods. We are questioning the silence of the gods.
We are saying the same thing. It is in their authority and power to speak when they want to speak. And that is the very bottom of the whole thing. Ezemo. Obu, no isi amara agbo. Are you still the voice of the gods? Or have you defied yourself before them? You have had them. Have I defied myself? Or have I not done what I am supposed to do as your servant?
Ezemo, glory has departed from Umudim. Tell the gods that the men have been so reduced to mere firewood fetchers and castrated eunuchs. Tell them that the women have turned their hearts against the men. Tell them, Ezemo, tell them.
The gods are wise. The gods are wise.
You know.
Ekene, is this you?
It is I, you know. Jackson you fantastically.
Ekene, Igboegwu. Hey, you are spoiled.
No, I'm not spoiled though. I just acquired new revolutionary latest policies, attack, ammunition of bedroom, pussy, revival. Ghana to foreign, not to technical at the same time, simultaneously. Yes.
Ekene.
Don't worry, huh? See, when your mother goes out, you come to my house, tomorrow. This one I gave you is just my beta. It's just my beta, you know. Later, come to my house, I give you my best, you know.
Ekene, what's this one?
That is city touch after pussy attack, you know. All right, over and out. Don't start hamper with my something because I want you to keep it in personal, tight, obiadema. Over that. Ebere, because I'm hungry, go and get me food.
Is everything about food? The village is in trouble and you're here talking about food.
Mama, what's my business if this village is in trouble? Don't tell me what's my business. How does that make Gary and Akpu twin brothers? Am I the cause of their trouble?
Everybody knows you've been chosen as the one to protect this village. By the way, I heard how you insulted the Igwe and his chief in council and abused the gods.
If I insulted the Igwe and his council of chiefs, yes, they deserve it because they are evil. Yes. But if I truly insulted the gods and the gods are angry, why haven't they struck me dead? Why haven't they struck me dead and they still made me their choice, the people's hero?
Yes, they made you their choice. I don't know why. Don't you know that it is an honor to be chosen to take care of the village?
Let them give this honor to another person. I don't need it too. I don't need it at all. I don't need it.
Ekene, it could happen to anybody.
To you? No, to you? Ebere, we are good people. We are good people. Tell me, why hasn't that rapist spirit raped you or raped Mama?
Let the spirit rape you. See how you're talking? Let it rape you. Ebramado. Are you trying to tell me that all the people that the spirit has been dealing with are bad people? Nah, mind how you talk.
Mama, see, in the history of this village, there are only 2 good people who have existed though. Yes!
Tell me.
Good. One is still existing and one is gone. Let me tell you who they are. The one that is gone is my father. The one who is still existing is my very self. Yes.
Biko. Just don't remind me of something I've been fighting for years to forget. Biko.
Mama, please don't remind me that I'm also hungry. They are okay, go and get me food. Okay, come on, get me food.
Oh, me fat nebe, oh, well, the sense, yeah, sepa, when in a corner, coeli, so some come a bunny, Cassia me, oh, mamma, Cassia mena, coneme, so ebenine, Kenekaye, Ekene, oh, boy, bad boy, Ekene, bad boy, is he come, if you left from one, Ekene,
your super bad. Loma, see how the morning sun is just, reflecting on you, huh? Just shining behind.
Ekene. Now wow, see the way you now talk. This city has changed you. It has done a lot for you. Hey!
It hasn't changed me. You see, this your body, huh? Needs somebody that can, take care of it. Also, this your super defense balloon of joy attack. Needs somebody that can, take care of it.
You want to take care of my body for me? How can that possibly happen? Because I don't get it.
Wow. I will. Wow. Talk and do. Talk and do. Smell it. Smell it.
This is very sweet.
I know.
It smells nice.
I know.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's the banner. Over you. See him. Let me tell you, this is small. This is not my better or my bestest. For you, I'll give you my best. Yes, I'll do that. You deserve much more. I'm telling you, because you have a super defense attack balloon of joy in you.
Wait, Ekene. I don't really understand. What happened to you at the city?
You see, I know because you've not been to the city before, so I don't blame you. When a boy, no, in the city they say it differently. When a guy gives a chick is girl. When a guy gives a chick this kind of gift, there's a way she says the thank you.
Hi, Ekene. I don't understand though. Is there any other way of saying thank you?
Lots of ways, though. You don't know how to say the thank you. Huh? Don't worry. I'll teach you how to say thank you in the butterfly way, the dog way, the monkey way, for pussy attack.
Ekene, I have never heard of such before.
I know.
Monkey, dog.
I know you haven't heard it before. I know. Don't worry, just come with me. Let me just show you how to. Let me show you.
Wait now, let me follow you gradually. Let me go in now, fully at the back.
Okay, come. Just come with me. I will show you the dog way, the monkey way, butterfly way, for pussy attack. Come with me, dear. Come.
Mama Ekene! Mama Ekene! Onyekwa! Mama Ginika! Oh, Gini, this one that you're shouting in my compound, what is the matter? Ask this useless girl. Ask her what she was doing with Ekene. Ask her how she got herself impregnated by your loafer of a son. Ginika, what have you been doing with Ekene? Did he... Talk now! Wait, did he rape you? Was this how you were crying when you were doing it with him? He did it? Yes, ma'am. You're sure you're pregnant? This is not a problem. This is called nation building. Yes. I found. Is this funny? But it's not funny. Nah. You. Straight. Nah, teacher for. It is not a problem. We're okay. I can't believe you did it. Hey, my son is Ahua. Mama Ginika, you have to go now. We will take care of Ginika. You can go. Go, Ginika. You are coming inside. No? Let's find something for you. Ahua. Go inside. Let me see Mama Ginika. Mama Ginika. No, I can't do for you.
My princess, seeing you this morning is a good sign of a new day.
Ekene, every day will be good in Umudim if only you obey the voice of the gods.
My princess, forget the gods. Nobody is fair to me in this village.
How do you mean, Ekene?
Everybody wants me to do something for them, but they don't ask me what I want. Is that fair?
What do you want?
My princess, what I want is actually not far away from me. It's here, very close. But first,
mate, excuse us.
Okay. Quick now.
So tell me, what is it that you want?
My princess, swear first that you will not be angry with me.
Are you going to say something that will get me angry?
Maka for what now? You know, Michael Jackson. One Nika person cannot dance, you know, Michael Jackson. You know? But princess.
Say something.
Princess. Man died once. Princess, I love you.
You love me?
I love you.
Of course, everybody in Umudim loves their princess.
No, princess, you know, mature. You know, the kind of love I'm talking about is, you know, love between, you know, man and woman, spiritual, you know.
Ekene, You are like the proverbial pregnant woman who demanded crocodile eggs from her husband.
Hey.
So how do you think what you're asking is possible?
But what the village is asking me to do is worse than collecting crocodile eggs now. Princess, biko. I could see now talking consideration. You know? It's true now. Huh?
Go and get the princess.
Igwe. My princess, the king demands that you come in immediately.
Ekene.
Okay.
Father, you sent for me.
Leave us.
What were you discussing with that loafer?
We were discussing an issue of mutual interest to Umudim.
We don't need him anymore. The gods have taken care of the issue.
I pray it works.
It has already worked. Have you heard? He impregnated a girl just a month after his return.
I heard about it.
I forbid you from discussing with him again.
All right, Father.
Igwe! Igwe! Hey! Your Highness! Igwe! Igwe! Hey! Igwe! Igwe, this lady lying down before you, I just married her 3 months ago, Igwe. 3 months! Only last night, Igwe, the evil spirit came and took her away from me. Look at her, Igwe. Hey! Ewo!
Young man, I sympathize with you, but you are not alone in this. So many of us have suffered the same fate. My wife, the Lolo, was taken. Okonkwo's wife, and even Hakim's daughter. But nobody brought their corpses to the palace.
Hey! Igwe, this one is different. Igwe, this is different. A highest abomination of its strength has happened, Igwe. This lady lying down before you, she was pregnant, Igwe. Odime. Hey! How? Chimarapotamo.
Nana.
What is it? You look sick. What is it?
Mama, I feel sick. I feel pains all over my body.
You feel pains over your body? Nina, tell me the truth. What have you done? Did you sleep with any man?
No, Mama, no.
Nena, you better speak the truth. This is a sign of pregnancy. Look into my eyes and tell me the truth. Who is he? You are not going to bring a bastard and disgrace to this family. Have I made myself clear? Who now?
My... It's Ekene. It's Ekene. He said it was dog. A monkey.
Ekene, that worthless and useless person. You slept with him. Hey! Nena has killed me. Oh. What kind of bad luck is this? Did you not know? Or were you not aware that he put your friend in a family way? That your friend that used to visit you. You didn't know?
Mama, he said it was dog and monkey.
I'm still talking, you're talking nonsense. Okay. You don't want to say the truth. I will take you to the Igwe. By that time you know yourself. Disgrace.
Yage lulube lube nyamwamo. Yage lulube lube nyamwamo. Nyamwamo lulube lube wanu cho lulube lube cho gese. We lube cho gunu lulube lube cho gose. Lulube lube nyamwam lulube lube. Ha! Hey! You can take her for burial now.
Hey!
The land has been cleansed.
Ezemo, I had assumed this evil was over.
I would like to ask the same question, Igwe.
Igwe, live forever.
What is it?
Igwe, there's an evil white fire in my house.
Fire that is evil and white.
Yes, Igwe. Bim na walk. Hey, that loafer, hopeless and idiot, that calls himself Ekene, has put my daughter in a family way.
Woman, your daughter knows that he is a hopeless loafer, yet she opened her legs for him.
No. Nayo Konkwa, that bastard deceived my daughter. He deceived my daughter and promised her that he's going to give her a dog. Promised her that he's going to give her monkey and pussycat. Can you imagine that?
Oh, he promised to give her dog, monkey and pussycat.
Yes, Igwe.
Hey, do we eat any of those in our land?
All the animals.
This your daughter is as foolish and hopeless as the boy.
There's nothing beautiful anymore in Umudim. Another great abomination has taken place, and you who is supposed to save us has impregnated all the beautiful women in this Umudim.
Okaro secret I talk one in personal. So they've told you. My princess, don't blame me. Don't blame me. See, since I came back from the city, all these girls in this village won't let me rest. But it's only you I adore. It's only you I love. It's only you I want.
But you know it's not possible.
Huh? Wait, so you want to treat me like a one-nicker, somebody that dances? Michael Jackson? No. Biko, don't say this. It's you I want, oh. It's you I want. Please, Biko, please, my princess, eh?
You know it's not possible. Because my father will not want to give out his daughter's hand in marriage to a loafer.
Loafer? So you now want to treat me like a loaf of bread? I know. They have affected you. All the wicked people in this village are against me. All you wicked people in this village are against me. All of you, you are against me. You're against me, but no problem. It's you I want to.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Why is it that you don't want to help Umudim?
Has Umudim helped me before? No, has Umudim helped me before? Umudim does not like me. Umudim hates me. Umudim flogged me. They denied me. They sent me away. Now they want me to risk my life for them. For what?
There is no risk to your life. All you need to do is to agree, and the gods will empower you to carry out the mission.
Ekene, you are a disgrace to the gods.
I know that this village doesn't know my qualities. They don't know my value. But I know for sure that the gods know my value. Why? I will ask you this question. Igwe, why did the gods choose me to fight evil for them? Thank you. Over to you.
How dare you talk to the king like that?
See messenger.
God, excuse us.
Yes, Your Highness. Leave us. Fast.
What do you go about telling my daughter?
Igwe, can't turn to aside though, because anything I have with the princess is private, personal, because on our tongue separate. Thank you.
I ask you again. What have you been telling my daughter?
Igwe, you are one of those people who says I have low memory in this village. I cannot remember anything I've been saying with your daughter or discussing with your daughter.
If you don't tell me what you have been telling my daughter, I will call the guards to peel off your skin.
Igwe, all I can remember is that your daughter has been feeling me. Yes. And she has been pouring her heart to me, and I've been pouring my own to her. Thank you. Over and out. And back to you again, Igwe.
My daughter has been pouring her heart to you, and you have been pouring your heart to her.
What does that mean now?
Pouring of hearts, heart pouring. Ichie. Thank you. Over to you, Igwe.
My daughter has been pouring her heart to you, and you have been pouring your heart to her. It's all right. Get out then. Get out!
Like a jazz.
Could you imagine? Very incoherent. Anyway, I will find out from my daughter.
Ginika, what is this now? Where's my food? Where's my food, Ginika? What's this now?
Nwankwo, stop shouting. It's irritating my ears.
Why would she delay my food? Is this the way you used to delay Papa's food? Ginika, where's my food?
Your father was a good man. He catered for his family and other people outside the family. You don't even do anything.
Forward march. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Halt. Halt. What's this?
Gary.
Gary? Haven't I told you I don't eat Gary on Wednesdays? Haven't I told you? What happened to rice? What happened to fried rice? Jollof rice, coconut rice.
But there's no rice.
What do you mean there's no rice? Isn't there rice in the market? Doesn't your mother sell rice in the market?
Do they sell rice for free? Or you think they use manhood to buy rice? That seems to be the only asset you have on your body.
Ma, in a heart, I'm separate too.
Nanga Bali is separate. Bali is privately, personally, limited, company-wise, anywhere,
Mama, you should be proud of me. Yes, you should be proud of me that I'm increasing the population of this family. You forget my value that Umudim is in my hands. Very soon you have children everywhere because of me.
With your mouth. Oh, no, plant all the children, little children everywhere, with your mouth.
Wait until I marry the princess, then you people will know. You will know.
Dreamer, keep dreaming. Yes.
Where are you? Why is your face like this? Always frowning. What is it?
You. Tomorrow, you are cooking spaghetti. Again, spaghetti. On Thursdays, spaghetti with chicken. You understand?
I thought you wanted rice.
Stop this thing.
Nena, so you knew Ekene was mine and you slept with him?
Biko, Mba, Genika, please, not from you. Not from you, Biko. Or everybody has already blamed me for this thing. Not from you. I won't give you that right. And the thing that Ekene is just your own.
Yes, he met me here first, before you. Yeah, the very first day he returned from the city.
Yes. It could have been me, oh. You only got there before. You got there first. You got there about it. And please do not forget that we are all friends before we went to the city. We were friends, yes, we were.
You see, your own mother that accused you. Yes. He first gave me cat and dog before you. Yes! Huh? Yes!
And so what? Ginika. And so what? Did you tell me?
Why will I tell you?
Yes, let me finish. Did you tell me? Listen, if you don't know, let me remind you, or rather tell you, we are both foolish victims of Ekene's city life. We are foolish.
I'm foolish. Did you call me foolish?
My friend, why? Because you say foolish. Stop it, both of you. Is it not bad enough that you're the ones that have put me in this condition?
But Mama, I came here first.
But it doesn't matter who got here first. Let me tell you people, if you want to fight, give each other upper court, not lower court. So you don't hurt my babies. Let me even check the babies. Okay, they are cool. Go inside. Okay.
See you.
If you're okay.
Go and you got here first.
Pick up the clothes there. Now when I come home, do okay?
You put girls in the family where without a means of livelihood. You have also refused to carry out the mandate of the gods and save our women from dying. And you are here telling me that you have a soft spot for my daughter. You make me want to vomit.
Igwe, you cannot vomit here in private. No, it's better that you move with this your cockroach guard to the village square. Then you vomit there. So everybody in the village can see the fine food you have been eating in this your palace.
Shut up your mouth before the gods strike you dead.
Igwe, you see why the gods are wiser than you? You see why the gods are by far wiser than you? You see? Igwe, you want the gods to strike dead somebody they've chosen to fight evil for them? It's not possible now. They can't fit in things. Highly impossible. That is impossible, Igwe.
Let me warn you for the last time. And I'm doing this for the sake of the gods.
Thank you.
Any other day you stop my daughter on her way, this Umudim will be too hot for you. You are already foolish enough. Your refusal has cost this land a lot of havoc and abomination. Go and examine your life and be reasonable for once. Now get out. Leave my presence.
Okay. Anyway, I'm going to leave. Fast forward and slow. I'm not in the mood for pussy business now.
When you thought I'm in the mood, eh? See, the one you ate has shocked me. It is rolling my stomach.
That's your problem.
But they're involved now.
That's my own
So
problem.
what do we do?
That's our problem.
Ekene!
What now?
I am pregnant. Huh? I said I am pregnant.
Are you going to be the first, second, or sixth in this village?
Now, See, Ekene, you're very lucky that I want to run out from this village. All I need from you, just give me money so that I'll go to Onitsha. I'll meet somebody that will help me out. I want to sell that baby.
Tampa. Sell out?
Yes, I want to sell the baby.
Impossible never can be. Sell out my baby.
See, Ekene, let me tell you something. I don't want to be part of those your village assembly pregnant girls. I'm only in Eku. I need this money from you. Just go and find this money. Anyhow, give me the money, please. I want to go. Pick up my child. I got spoiled with you.
Tom Laska Jacob. Tampa. Sell out my baby. Impossible never can be. Come on, let me tell you. See, you can't do it though. For what?
Hey, we now have an armed robber inside this house. All the people that took my in shot. Neka, come out. Neka, where's my money? I'm looking for my money. Who took my money? Me, I'm looking for my money too. Then you acting Nena. Oh, okay. Now there's a ghost in this house. Oh. And I assume it is that ghost that took the money. What kind of nonsense is this? By the way, where's Ekene? Ekene, he went out. He took my mother's money. You people don't know where Ekene went to, and yet you're supposed to. Yeah, Ekene, where's my money? Where's my money?
Why don't you ask your money where I am?
Look at this boy, yo.
Udo doesn't live here now.
We have come for something money cannot buy. We have come to plead with Ekene to save the souls of Umudim.
Yes. Please, Ekene, please, have compassion on us. We have suffered enough in the hands of this evil spirit. Please, Ekene, please.
You people don't have shame. You don't have shame. You are coming to the house of somebody you call loafer. Somebody called stupid. Somebody called useless.
Forgive and forget, please.
Ekene, you have to understand that the voice of the people is the voice of the gods.
My own voice is also the voice of the gods because the gods are my guys. Yes, they're my guys. Why are you begging me? When I begged you for gin, one bottle of gin, did you give me? You said I'm a loafer.
Igwe, we the women of Umudim, all we need is your consent for peace to reign in Umudim again.
Has everybody in this kingdom eaten the seed of madness? Do you know what you're asking me to do?
Even what we are asking you to do is to make a sacrifice. Just take a decision and save your kingdom, Igwe.
And I must lose my daughter before the kingdom is saved.
Igwe, you are not going to lose her. She will be here with us.
It is worse than losing her. The gods must think again. The gods are not mad. I know that fool is fake. No God spoke to him.
Igwe, we know better. We witnessed the presence of the monster. He was about taking another woman, but couldn't because of the presence of Ekene. Igwe, what other proof do we need? What other proof do we need?
I want the gods to stand before him and tell me to my face. And that will be the day man will talk back to the gods.
Think about it. Igwe, there is no sacrifice too much for you to pay for your kingdom.
I cannot sacrifice like a fool. Are you not aware that he has impregnated almost every girl in this kingdom? Including you, the yellow woman. Did he not impregnate your daughter? Did you come here crying?
Igwe, please. Igwe, please, we are begging. Igwe.
Will you get out of my sight?
Igwe, please.
Look at him. Will you get out before me?
Igwe, please.
Let nobody mention this to me anymore. What impudence!
Has the gods failed? Is it that the gods of Umudim is no longer active? Can't they possibly make this young man change his mind? Everything rests on the shoulder of them. Hello. Man. What's happening to God? I don't know. Man.
Aga m eje. Ọnụụzọ ebe onye anyị nwere ọzọ bịa fụ mmanya na ihe abaka jie na ọba n'ike. Ị ma na ọ na-abụbụzi onye m ga-egbu ọma bụrụ onye njeta akwahụrụ. Ị ma na ọmụnachi onye m ga-egbu ọma bụrụ onye m ga-akwahụrụ. Ọnụụzọ obodo anyị nwere ọzọ bịa fụ mmanya. Ihe jie na ọba n'ike.
We thought that the boy is just an idiot. But he is not only an idiot, but also a mad boy. Forever thinking of asking for the princess's hands in marriage.
Ugumba. Hey! Every day there's a new wonder in this land.
Listen, what baffles me most is that the Ezemo even accepted it wholeheartedly. Now, the question is, does it mean that the gods are crazy and foolish like him?
The gods must have their reason and purpose for choosing him.
I know it. I know that no one questions the gods. But I tell you, that boy has gone beyond bounds. That is my concern.
I am still telling you, the gods must have their reason.
What? Now tell me, does it mean that you too has gone mad?
Ogumba, the gods must be crazy for choosing him. Yes.
Yeah, it's all right.
They must be crazy for choosing him.
Listen to me. It is not supposed to be.
Ekene, come out! Come out! Because you are going to wrestle with the spirits. You are the challenger of the gods. Come out!
Ezemo, please. Before you say I've insulted you, you're somehow welcome here, but somehow you're not welcome. And why will you come to our compound without permission and then you come here shouting as if your meal of gari or apple lacks meat? We don't have meat here. What we have is crayfish, and you're not even invited to eat with us.
He who says that the ways of the old are foolish has included his forefathers. You, that is exactly what you have been doing. Yes, come, because you are highly favored by the gods. Come and challenge the spirits. Or do you want to wrestle with the gods?
Every time I do the will of the gods. But this time around, the gods have to do my own will. Or if they want me to do their will, it has to be on one condition.
Speak. Speak! Because you are highly favored in the sight of the gods.
Thank you. Thank you. Even if I'm favored in the nose of the gods, I will say my condition. My condition is that I will do what they want me to do. I will confront the rapist spirit on the condition that I marry the princess. Hi! Everybody can do it.
Ekene? Huh? What did I hear you say?
What you heard me say is that I will only confront that rapist spirit on the condition that I marry the princess. Thank you.
Ekene, are you aware that the prince of Ogonna Kingdom is about wedding the princess?
And the gods are aware that I was on my own before they chose me to go and confront that bad rapist spirit. Aren't they the gods? Can't they fight the spirits themselves? Or are they afraid of the spirits? Hey! Hey!
Ekene, let's go.
So you go and kill me and tell everybody the gods have killed me, eh?
No. I am Ezemo. Ezemo is not a killer.
Ezemo is the hired killer for the gods.
I am the mouthpiece of the gods.
You are the hired killer for the gods.
I'm the mouthpiece of the gods.
You are the messenger and also hired killer for the gods. I'm not going anywhere with you.
Ekene, stop challenging the gods. Come with me.
Okay, if you want me to go anywhere with you, swear that if anything happens to me or I die, you too, you will die.
Hey! Come with me.
I am not swear that nothing will happen to me.
I will not kill you. Come with me.
Intermarriage between the royal palace of Umudim and that of Okuma has been on for generations, and we believe it will continue for generations.
Ịma na ụkwụ ka eji akụ agbọ afọ agba amala agbọ nwa na-adị ka onye mụrụ ya agaraga igirigi ogiriga
Ezemo, have you come to give a spiritual touch to the introduction of my daughter?
Igwe, the toad does not run in the afternoon in vain. Listen, Ekene here has something to say.
What? Ezemo, what has Ekene got to say? Eh? So you came in here to stop this important ceremony just because of the request of this hopeless loafer? And you are even saying it before our important in-laws. Eh? Mbanu.
It was a most difficult decision for me. And don't forget that this man here has the hope of Umudim on his shoulder. Speak.
Igwe, chiefs, and these people who will not get what they want. Yes. Before I pursue or fight that evil spirit raping all your women and killing them, and I know we'll soon kill all of you. Yes. Before I do it, you see this princess here? They marry her first.
Ekene can never happen. Ekene, no way.
Don't crack that your mouth.
Alligator kiss that your teeth. Ezemo, what is the meaning of this?
Igwe, the gods are wise.
Thank you.
Yes, and they make their decision meticulously.
Thank you.
Hey, in this matter, Ezemo, the veracity of the gods are in doubt. Hey!
You are wasting time, oh. No! This loafer cannot marry my daughter. Tell the ghost this loafer cannot marry my daughter. Anejo Sanuti. Anejo Sanuti. Shut up. On my way.
Ekene, why have you chosen to interfere with my mission?
It's because you are the evil spirit raping all our women and killing them. Yes, and if these people make mistake and do the right thing now, by allowing me marry the princess, I will destroy you final. Yes.
You cannot destroy me.
You say?
Ekene, you cannot destroy me.
What's it? Papa, so you are the evil rapist spirit, coming down here to enjoy all our women in the name of rape. Papa, but why now? You are dead now. You are dead.
I'm innocent. Umudim village killed me for a crime I did not commit.
I know you are innocent because there's no how a fine man like you will rape Ezemo's ugly fat wife. I know. It's not possible. I know.
You are my only witness. That's why they cast a spell on you and turn their brain with their evil powers.
So my brain is turned.
I want them to pay for their wickedness. Until you become the king of Umudim, I will not stop.
Hey!
Until Ekene, my son, becomes the king of Umudim, I will not stop.
Papa, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, sir. Crown King, thank you. You people can go. Go. Your village is far. Go. Before armed robbers will attack you people. Go. Go. Hey, Crown King. Hey. Ezemo, you have heard, oh. Yes, Crown King. Let me take my entitlement. Crown King. I'm taking this for this my entitlement. Crown King. You are serious? What to do? Crown King.
azịza na-echu mmiri nsogbu n'obodo m onye ga-azụ obodo